The city of Woodstock commemorated its 125th anniversary in 2022, while Encore by David Weekley Homes' active adult community Glenhaven at Ridgewalk celebrated its first. What was once a train depot surrounded by farmland in the late 1800s has grown to become a vibrant city. Woodstock has enjoyed multiple turns as one of Money Magazine's best places to live in America. So it only makes sense that one of its communities also shares a growing list of honors. Nominated as 55 Plus Community of the Year, Glenhaven at Ridgewalk's gorgeous model home was recognized with the Gold Obie Award for Best Interior Merchandising from the Atlanta Home Builders Association. The gated community's sidewalk-lined streets showcase a collection of 130 parkside homes with alluring accents, many with inviting front porches that are reminiscent of Atlanta neighborhoods of yesteryear. Included lawn maintenance frees up time for residents to enjoy the great outdoors or well-deserved relaxation. Ideally designed to enhance the active adult lifestyle, 7 stunning ranch floor plans offer interiors that are every bit as enticing as their exteriors might suggest. This is Glenhaven's Amenity Center, with a 4,100 square foot clubhouse, fitness center, kitchen, gathering spaces, activities director, pool with lap lanes, and pickleball court. Located within 2 miles of downtown Woodstock and less than a mile from I-575, Glenhaven at Ridgewalk is a hidden gem at the heart of adventure, the ideal place for active adults to launch life's next chapter. Encore by David Weekley Homes invites you to discover this incredible 55 plus active adult community, tour its award-winning model, and explore the exciting area of Woodstock right here at Glenhaven at Ridgewalk. You can also learn more at the community page at davidweekleyhomes.com.